Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your iCloud calendar is current and accessible on your iPhone. This avoids missing events. Once done, open the calendar app and tap the calendars list, then the info icon next to the calendar you want to share. Make a quick choice. Create a public iCloud link for read-only access, or prepare to export/subscribe using a Google Calendar for two-way edits. You're starting the actual sharing process now, so keep your Android recipient's email ready. Now you'll create the connection. For read-only, toggle public calendar in iCloud and copy the provided webcl// link, which is simple and fast. For editing, export the IX file from iCloud. Or sign into the same Google account on iPhone to sync calendars. This lets both devices edit. On the Android side, open Google Calendar, choose Add by URL for webcl links or import IX if you downloaded a file, and make sure the calendar is finished by checking that events show up on Android and that time zones match to avoid shifted times. Make a test edit if you enabled two-way sync and confirm it appears back on the iPhone. If not, ensure you created events in the shared Google Calendar rather than a local phone calendar. If anything fails, refresh calendars, re-add the Google/iCloud account, or regenerate and resend the public link. This usually fixes permissions and sync hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.